Hello everyone, in this video I'll be explaining you the problem two rolls and it was asked in CodeChef contest starters 202. So let's read out the problem. Chef is playing a board game and is currently at position X. To win he needs to reach position 50. Chef has a pair of he has a pair of sided dice which will decide how he moves. He will roll the pair of die, sum up the number of on them, and then move exactly that many steps forward. More precisely, if the die show values of d1 and d2, chef must move from x to x plus d1 plus d2. However, chef's die are a bit weird. Rather than starting from 1, they start from y. That is, the value on the single die are y plus 1, y plus 2, y plus 3, y plus 4, y plus 5, because 6 sided die is there. So in normal die we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but here it starts from y and then next number till 6 numbers. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, is it possible for chef to win the game by reaching position 50 after exactly one turn? So basically he will roll the two dice, and will he able to reach the number 50 that is saying. Note that chef must exactly land on position 50 after his move. Going beyond it does not count as win. Okay. We have test cases and we have integer x and y. So they've given 4 test cases. In the first test case, x is 46, y is 1. So let's try to understand this, what they're saying. We have x as 46 and y as 1. What they're saying is chef has a die, 6-sided die, right? If you think of it is a 6-sided die. So in normal die we'll be having 1, 2 points, like let me call number 1, 2, 3, and then backside will be 4. Then here this face it is 4, backside face is 5, let's say, and downward face is 6. So this is normal die, but shift die is not in this way. It has number from 1. So chef has a die and he has a pair of die, not just one. So I'll be showing only one. So this face, the front face, it has, let's say, value y. The upward face has value, let's say, y plus 1. The left side, this face has a value, let's say, y plus 2. Right side has a face, value of y plus 3. Down, this is front and this is downward. So this downward has value y plus 4, and the back face has value of y plus 5. So this is the value he is having. So in this case what they are saying is he is currently at 46 position. If you draw on number line, it is 50. Right now this is 46 and this is x, you can think of. So he wants to reach at 50. So will he be able to reach or not, this thing? So if he throw pair of die, so whatever number on the top he is getting, so he may have to move the sum of those values, meaning, so in our case we have y plus 1, y plus 2, y plus 3, y plus 4, and y plus 5. So these values we have, right? And this is the faces of first die. Second die also has same values, y plus 1, y plus 2, y plus 3, y plus 4, and y plus 5. So if you try to take all the combinations, if we choose to throw all the die, so whatever combination we'll get, we can get, like, on the first face we can get y, on the second face we can get again same y. Okay, in the first we are getting y, but on the second as we are getting y plus 1. In the third we are getting here y, again y plus 2, right? So this thing we will be getting. And if you try all possible combinations, the value on the dice whatever you will be getting is basically y plus y, that will be there, plus 0 till y plus y plus 10. Only in this range you will be getting the values. Like first value if you count, this is y plus y, and at the end it is 0. and if you take last one, it is y plus 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. So this value you will be getting. So right now he is at position x, so he wants to move such a position, let me call that position as p, such a way that we are getting answer as 50, right? So now your p will be 50 minus x, right? So whatever p value you are getting, if that is in the range 2y plus I mean 2y plus from 2y to 2y plus 10, if that is in the range, then you can say your p is valid. If it is not, then not. So one more thing you can do is that this p can also be since we know x plus so this p will be in the form of 2y plus some value, again let me call it as v. This v will be ranging from 0 to 10, right? Not minus 10, 0 to 10. It will be from 0 to 10. I think you're getting whatever value is there, that will be in the range from because it is always having 2 y plus y plus y plus y, so that's what 2y. So again we can write this equation, I mean this is equals to 50, so this can be written as v is equal to value 50 minus your x plus 2y. So whatever value is there, this value should now lie in the range 0 to 10. Okay, so if you use this formula, that should lie in the range 2y to 2y plus 10. But if you use again separated, so you can do this way. I think you are getting. So let me try to take v. So according to formula, our v will be, what is 50, 50 we have, what is x, 46 plus 2y, 2y is 2 into 1, so this is 48 and value is 2. So your v is in the range 0 to 10, so this is valid. So it is possible for the chef to reach from 46 to 50 in one step whenever he throws a die, and the die value are getting some value on both the die, and the sum will be equals to some value, and whatever that value you are taking for this x, you will be getting the 50. So that is the thing here. So in the first case it is yes. Let's try to find the second case. We have 36. So again same thing, we'll try to put it. We have 36, so v value can be written from this formula. So it is like 50. What is x? X is 36 minus what is y? Sorry, it is plus 2 into y is 1. So it is 38. 38 means 12 you will be getting. So v does not lie in this range, right? V does not lie in this. So in this case you'll have written no. I think you guys got to know how to solve this. It is basic math. Let's try to code it up. Input they have given is test cases and two integers x and y. So test case is dealt here. We have integer x and y. We have x and y, right? We will be taking x and y into our input. Now we'll have to calculate this value. Let's say v or value, that is equals to 50 minus x plus 2 star y, and we'll have to check if this value is greater than equals to 0 and this value is lesser than equals to 10, then we'll have to print yes, else you'll have to print no. Everything is fine. Let's try to run it. It is getting passed. Let's try to copy paste the code in the online editor. Let me try to run once again and check it here. We should get yes no, and indeed we are getting. Let's try to submit it. So yeah, it got accepted. So in this way you could have solved the problem, and it was easy only. Basically it was kind of, you have to find this formula 50 minus x plus 2y. I think you guys got to know how to do this. whatever value sum you're getting on the dice, that will be always in the form of 2y plus some value, some v. So that is the reason I took is that I'm subtracting 50 from I'm subtracting x plus 2y from 50, and whatever value we're getting, that should be in the range 0 to 10 as I showed on the board. Like you can see from here also, if you are doing a pair, so that will be y plus y, that is the least sum that you will be getting, and the most sum you will be getting is y plus y, sorry, y plus 5, y plus 5, which is 2y plus 10. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.